At the dawn of the digital age, as the world crossed into a new era of code and computation, Bytnex quietly rose to prominence. At first glance, it appeared ordinary, another technology platform in a crowded global marketplace, a name spoken casually in conversations about finance, innovation, and the future. Its tools were everywhere, its systems embedded in wallets, dashboards, and contracts powering a new generation of digital commerce. In public, Bytnex was known as a pioneer of AI-driven finance, a builder of smart contracts, and a steward of blockchain infrastructure. It promised efficiency, transparency, automation, a world where trust no longer depended on institutions, intermediaries, or fragile human systems. But beneath the surface, beyond marketing and interfaces, something far more consequential was taking shape. Bytnex did not trade in belief. It traded in immutability. Every contract was final, every transaction permanent, every action etched into a ledger that could not be rewritten, erased, or denied. Where traditional systems relied on permission, Bytnex relied on proof. Where trust once required authority, Bytnex replaced it with consensus. And where uncertainty ruled, Bytnex introduced a machine logic governed not by emotion, but by mathematics. At the core of this architecture stood Bitcoin, the unyielding foundation, decentralized, scarce, immutable, a monetary system immune to manipulation, censorship, and collapse by decree. Unknown to most users, and even to many within its ecosystem, Bytnex was not simply building financial tools. It was redefining trust itself, a system where contracts execute without bias, where value moves without permission, where history cannot be rewritten by power, politics, or pressure. In a world increasingly defined by instability, Bytnex offered something radical: certainty. And as its network expanded, line by line, block by block, the question was no longer whether the system would endure, but whether the world was ready for a future where truth is permanent, agreements are absolute, and trust is no longer optional.